Friendship Hill was the home of an early American politician and statesman, Albert Gallatin. Gallatin was a U.S. congressman, the longest-serving Secretary of the Treasury under two presidents, and an ambassador to France and Great Britain. The house overlooks the Monongahela River near Port Marion, Pennsylvania, which is about 50 miles south of Pittsburgh. Fort Necessity National Battlefield marks the first battle of the French and Indian War, also known as the 7-Year War. Park features include Braddock's Grave and Jumonville Glen sites. Now remember, back in 1754, you were either British or you were French. There were no Americans. So on July 3rd, 1754, in the wilderness of the Allegheny Mountains, colonial troops commanded by 22-year-old Colonel George Washington were defeated in this small stockade at the Great Meadow. This opening battle of the French and Indian War began a 7-year struggle between Great Britain and France for control of North America. Great Britain's success in this war helped pave the way for the American Revolution. Fort Necessity National Battlefield is located in the mountains of southwestern Pennsylvania, about 11 miles east of Uniontown, and comprises approximately 900 acres. This was our first time to visit Flight 93 in Pennsylvania. I did not want to go to Washington on September the 11th. So, where did we hit? Flight 93 on September the 11th. They had a large flag with 93 put on it, and every hour they would do a special ceremony and people would hold the flag as a reminder. And there was never a dry eye in the gathering.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.